Welcome back, guys. I'm here with one of the faves again, Ashimary. I got this cute tote bag in the package. I think it's so cute. They said this, you could put anything you want in there pretty much, and you know, everything is in their signature teal color. So of course the wig, which we're gonna get into, and I got a bunch of goodies inside. Let's get into it. So I have a goodie bag here. All right, so okay, I got some puffs on the inside. Cute. I then got my branded elastic Ashimary elastic band, my branded elastic Ashimary band. And then I have this edge brush and comb. I have a pair of HD wig caps. Also, they were sure to send some gorgeous lashes. These are really nice 3D minks. And oh my gosh, I'm always running out of these pins so easily because they're so handy. I got these pins. So, love that. Gold and black. Bomb goodies in today's package. I also got another little goodie bag, and the goodie bags are branded as well. So, love how they always brand everything. I got this bow. You know, the bow is trending. If you're not wearing a bow, what are you doing? No, joke. It's a joke, but no, it's trending right now. It's really cute. So it's like a clip, basically, and you just clip it onto your ponytail or wherever on your hair. So I'm gonna be using this in today's little wig look. I got these tapes you can use for security, especially when you're working with a glueless wig, and today's wig is a glueless wig, so yeah, but it's optional, you don't have to. Also, I got this bonnet branded Ashimary, and then they also sent a robe. Always love getting this. So that's everything for the goodies. A lot of goodies. I absolutely love that. This is our wig that we're working with today. I love it. It's 30 inches long. Yeah, we're working with inches. Okay, now this is their pre-braided. As you can see, they're pre-braided with baby hair, 10x6 parting max, pre-cut, transparent lace, Waterwave wig. It's a wear and go. You can literally just slip this on and go and you're good. All right, it's a natural color and it is so soft, so silky, very full. I'm going to be sure to put the specific density of this wig in my description box, but this one is new to their store and I absolutely love it. I live for a good pre-braided wig or pre-styled overall. Like, it just makes life so convenient. As I said, this is a 10x6. It's a lot of space you're working with. It's very wide and it's a nice deep parting because it's all the way like 6 inches. It's pre-bleached already, pre-plucked, pre-cut, all that good stuff. And as you can see, they did add their elastic band on the inside, which is adjustable. It says Ashimary glueless. So they're letting you know it's a dome cap construction, and they make sure to have the ear portion which accommodates, well, this cutout or curve to their cap, which accommodates the shape of your ear so that it sits comfortably around that side. Now the combs on the inside are not glueless, removable as usual. So you have 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. All right, all of them are removable. I love to leave mine in because it really ensures extra security, and that's how the construction looks. I am in love. So full. One thing about Ashimary, they always have great quality wigs. I can't lie. So I love that. And look at the pluck work. It's so natural looking. Yeah, so natural looking. So you know what? Let's go ahead and jump into this very easy installation because remember, it's glueless. Let's go. Right, so this is how it looks once I slip it on. I know these look kind of crazy because they're all the way down on my face, but we're gonna fix that in a few. What I'm gonna do, because you know this lace comes in terms of the length of the hairline, so the lace comes all the way across because it's a 10x6, as I said. So these parts, I just wanted to lay flatter. So what I'm gonna do is take my spray just to make sure, just to ensure that it is laid as flat as possible, and I'm just gonna tie it down really quickly with my elastic band. So I'm gonna just let that kind of melt down and get laid while, yeah, and then I'll go in and I'll fix the swoop's hair, because that kind of adds to the style. They want it to swoop around, so that's the vibe of that. I'm gonna give it like a few minutes to kind of just dry down. So just to eliminate the cast that you're seeing, because remember it's transparent lace, you know, it's already bleached, but you could further tint it to your preference. So always be, because transparency is a really good quality to work with. So yeah, so all I'm gonna do is take my face powder as usual. You know, whenever I'm in a situation where I need to remove the cast, this is my go-to thing to do, especially when installing like glueless wigs. So yeah, you see, it's basically just disappearing right before your eyes. So that's good. And the lace melted right away, like with just a bit of spray. It melted down so nicely. I absolutely love that. All right, so that looks great. All I'm gonna do is fix these swoops now so they don't look crazy anymore. Now what I want to do is, and remember this is glueless, I just applied there's a spray, my Red by Kiss Styler Fixer Lace Bond Spray. All right, and that's how we're looking. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the ribbon. All right, remember it's a clip, so you just pop it open. I'm gonna just put it on the ends of the two braids here. And that's it. Ooh, cute, right? Cute. If you want to go ahead and restyle this, feel free to go ahead and do so. It's really easy, really easy. So yeah, that's how we're looking. It is gorgeous. The feel of the hair is so good. Remember, it's a Waterwave wig, so feel free to go ahead and get it wet. So you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get it a little damp for you guys. Yeah, so as I say, if you want to go ahead, you can brush back these swoops, you could restyle it as you wish. It's all up to you. They just did you a favor by even, you know, doing this kind of pre-style vibe. Like, it is so convenient, so I love that. Just a little bit more defined, and I love it. Let me know what you guys think about today's quick and easy glueless wig installation. Ashimary did it again. It is gorgeous. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig first thing in my description box, so go ahead and check it out. If you want to purchase it for yourself or somebody else, feel free to go ahead and do so. All specifications will be listed down below. Any other information you need, like, you know, discount code, you know, if that's available, that will be listed. But that's it for today's wig look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you enjoyed. Shout out to Ashimary once more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up on yourself. Bye.